first skill we're going to work on is the underhand throw and the different steps or elements of the underhand throw. Step 1 is going to be facing your target. So if you were my target, I'm going to be facing you. If Fred was my target over here, I'm going to be facing him. And when you're facing your target, you also want to bend your knees. So step 1, face your target, bend your knees. Step 2, you're going to want to bring that throwing arm straight back. So swing it or bring it back. All right, in order to get some power, you want to bring it back, and you'll probably want to bring it back straight because you're facing your target, and your arm will come straight forward towards your target. So step 1 was face your target, bend your knees. Step 2, swing your arm back. Step 3 is going to be stepping with your opposite foot. Okay, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to step with my left foot, that opposite side. If I was left-handed, I'll be stepping with my right foot. Okay? Face target, bend your knees, swing arm back, and step with that opposite foot. Face target, bend your knees, swing your arm back, step with that opposite foot. Okay. The next step, step 4, is release, where you're going to let go. With a roll, you release nice and low. But we're not doing a roll, we're doing an underhand throw. So you're going to release or let go of the ball somewhere between your hip and your knee. All right? So that means you'll release right about here. But, you know, if you release and just stop your hand, you're forgetting the final step, which is follow through. So after you release, you're going to follow through, and your arm will continue to swing straight forward. All right? So I'll try one through the side, facing my target, bending my knees, arm swinging back, opposite foot, and then release. Now I'll try one facing you. Facing my target, bend my knees, swing my arm back, step, boom, right over you. Now I'll try one facing this direction. Bend my knees, face my target. I'm going to swing, step, throw, and follow through. I'll try one at my assistant PD, except I'm going to roll it to be nice, to release it low because he's relaxing. It's been a long day. All right? Very similar to the underhand throw. I'm just releasing it lower, which makes it a roll. All right? Face my target, swing my arm back, step, release low. There he goes. Now he's got a ball to play with as well. We're going to practice that skill a little later, but first we're going to go over the overhand throw. If you have a lot more space or your target is further away, you're going to want to practice the overhand throw. So let's learn the steps of the overhand throw. Step 1, put your side to the target. Okay, this is my non-throwing side. My throwing side is over here, so this side is facing the target. If my target was out there, I'd turn this shoulder to that direction. If my target was PD or Fred, I would turn my side to that direction. Okay? Next step is point. Okay, so my side's at my target, and I'm pointing. Okay, that's step number 2. So it looks like this. Side to my target, point. Or here. Third step is you make an L of your elbow, and that elbow should be up here higher than your shoulder. Okay? So L elbow is step 3. So far we got side to your target, point, L elbow. Okay? Now, after we have our side to our target, our point, our L elbow, we are going to rock back. Okay, see how I'm rocking back on that same foot that has the ball, same side? Okay, my strong side, my dominant side, my favorite side, I'm rocking back. And then I'm going to do the next step, which is step. That's step 5, the opposite foot step. Okay, so I step, and at the same time I'm stepping, I'm actually rotating my hips. I'm turning them, and if you could see my feet, I'm squashing the bug like you would do in a baseball swing. Okay, so that's step 5, is the opposite foot step with that rotation. Shoulder, point, L, elbow, rock back, step, rotate, and then you have to release or let go. And you're going to let go usually around eye level up here. Okay, that is step 6. You're going to release or let go when you throw. And then finally, you're going to follow through, and your arm kind of comes across your body after you release up here near your eye level. So 1, side of the target, point, L, elbow. So that's my target over there. L, elbow. And I'm going to rock back, step, twist and rotate, throw and release, near your eye level, and then follow through. So those are all the steps. Let's put them together. Yes, nice throw. So now we can have a little time to practice. These are light plastic balls. Fred, you want to throw a few overhand? Here you go. I'll throw one at the camera here. Side of the target, point, L, elbow, step, rotate, throw. All right, I'll throw one over this direction so you can see. Side of the target, point, L, elbow, rock back, step, and throw. All right. Practice that for a little while. Practice the underhand for a little while. And when you're ready, we can go play our game.